guys, welcome back to A.Fajar, and today we're going to take a review on Studio Series number 4, Ratchet. Now, let's take a look at him and take him out of the box. Now with Ratchet out of the box, we can finally take a look at the packaging. You see there's it says Transformers Autobot Ratchet Studio Series number 4. Published by Hasbro, age 8 plus, Transformers Generations. Also published by Scartomi. We have an Autobot symbol over there. Transformers Authentic, a big screen inspired scale detail backdrop. Transformers Autobot Ratchet Mission City Battle. Mission City Battle. There's his ambulance mode. That is his robot mode, which we have right over there. Right. This time I have a camera holder this time, right? So you see, I have the So they're recommending to get the Bumblebee, Stinger, and Crowbar. Actually, I have the Bumblebee, which I will be making a remake if we hit 10,000 subscribers. Right now, that is it for the packaging. Let's move on to the figure. Oops. Yeah, so these are really loose, but I'm fine with that. Okay, so I like the detailing and all. Well, the only thing that triggers me is this part. I mean, I'm fine with backpack kibble. I'm fine with like this kibble backpack, alright? But this one, it's a little too long, and if it's too long, he can't sit down. He can actually. Oh, whoops! There you go. Yeah, Alexa, just do that. Likes to do that. So yeah, this thing. It's a great figure. Let's move on to posability. We have a tight swivel on the head. The shoulder pads are a little floppy, but it's alright. Right. Hinge joint at the bicep, hinge joint at the elbow, and you also get a little swivel on the bicep. Same with the other hand. Okay, so leg can move that far, and leg can move back that far because due to the backpack, you can have a knee. Alright, and the knee, the thing is the foot articulation is kind of good, right? Move that. Alright, so now we're going to talk about his accessory, right? So there's this. It comes with this saw blade. So all you have to do is peg in one of these holes, right? And then you can either put it there or you can let him hold it, which doesn't look that great. Kind of looks like something, I don't know, but I rather let it peg onto the hand. So let's do size comparison. Here is Studio Series Bumblebee. Here is Studio Series Barricade, which is my next review. Alright. So let's move on to transformation. So we're going to remove the accessory, right? Then we're gonna have to fold the leg like that and do that. Then you take out this panel and then make sure this tab goes into that thing, right? And just make sure. So you click. Then this has to go right over here. Alright. Right. Then you just have to do the same thing. Right. Right, then you take out this backpack thing. And then you take both feet. Make sure it's both feet, alright? And then you just... Come on. Okay, and then you should work the other side. Hold on. Hold on, let me just do this off camera first. Come on. Alright, I fixed the problem. This foot was not in the right angle, so let me just... That. There. There. So you can snap. Then you just have to plug this into this chest. Like that. Then you just... Then you just unplug the waist to his chest. Then you just flip these tires. Right. Then you, yeah, I like to do that sometimes. Hold on. Hold on. Right. Then you just have to do that pose. Okay. Then you do this. And then yeah. That. There. There. So you can snap. Then you just have to plug this into this chest. Like that. Then you just then you just unplug the waist to his chest. Then you just flip these tires. Right. Then you, yeah, I like to do that sometimes. Hold on. Hold on. Right. Then you just have to do that pose. Okay. Then you do this. And then yeah. So basically, I'm too lazy to do size comparison, so we're just going to differentiate with the robot mode. Here is with Studio Series Bumblebee. Right. Studio Series Barricade. Alright. Now the final accessory is the included backdrop. Oh. Instructions. Alright. Backdrop. Just gonna put them there. And there you have it. Studio Series Ratchet. Now I hope you leave a like and subscribe. And leave a comment if I'm doing something wrong or if you want me to do something else. And no, you cannot tell me what to review next. I get to choose. Yeah. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.